Stop by and take a look at the 2010 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Come see the car for yourself.